Hello. Right now, Automate America has 2 open contracts for experienced controls engineers in Piedmont, South Carolina. These roles pay $72 an hour with overtime at $93 and $115 on Sundays and holidays. The work begins September 2nd and runs a minimum of 4 weeks. This is not routine programming. It is a premium EV battery tray assembly project that calls for real expertise. The engineers selected will commission a full system that includes self-piercing riveting, automated sealer application, and integrated vision systems. It is Bradley PLC and HMI work from start to finish, covering programming, debugging, optimization, and on-site commissioning. For the right engineers, the pay reflects both the challenge and the responsibility. But this contract is not just about the numbers. It tells the bigger story of who uses Automate America and why. Every day, more than 40,000 engineers, technicians, and project managers trust Automate America to connect them with opportunities like this one. They are professionals who understand controls at the system level, from safety networks to motion control to visualization. They are not software coders trying to learn PLCs. They are career automation specialists who can walk into a plant and deliver results immediately. That is exactly what manufacturers need when deadlines are tight and production depends on flawless commissioning. General staffing firms cannot deliver that. Automate America delivers qualified professionals who already know the platforms and the processes. That is why manufacturing companies bring their most critical projects to us. For engineers, the benefit is simple. You gain direct access to premium contracts that pay well and challenge your skills. Today it is Piedmont. Tomorrow it may be a robotics line in Ohio or a vision inspection system in Michigan. The engineers who succeed are the ones who stay connected to the network, so they see every opportunity as soon as it posts. For manufacturers, the advantage is just as clear. When you post with Automate America, you are tapping into a community of 40,000 automation professionals who can be on your floor solving problems instead of learning the basics. That speed and confidence is what keeps production moving. One supplier, 40,000 resources. This Piedmont project is live now. 2 positions, excellent rates, real technical work that matters. If you are an engineer, register today and put yourself in position for premium contracts. If you are a manufacturer, post your work and let our network deliver the talent you need. The work is out there. The opportunities are real. Automate America is where engineers and companies meet to make them happen.